Chase Wilson, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to speak with you today about CBRE. I chose CBRE because for the bulk of my career, I've worked in a city planning and housing space, and then in hospitality, which is a type of community serving retail, but it involves tangible assets and the built environment, right? And so I figured being in business school, I'm hoping I can move from housing and hospitality and restaurants into real estate. And so I figured, hell, we're doing this project, might as well go with the real deal. And CBRE is most definitely the real deal when it comes to real estate. So CBRE is the world's largest commercial real estate investing firm, right? Um, they operate in over 100 countries, and the business is made up of three main segments. Real estate decision making is what goes on in the advisory services segment. Workplace optimization and workplace management is their GWS segment. And then the real estate investment arm speaks for itself. They are making investments. And check it out, 2024 was a good year. We're looking at $36 billion in revenue and a bunch of cash. A bunch of that is cash. And if you take a look at the assets versus liabilities, CBRE is in a strong position. When we break it down by segment, over half of CBRE's revenue is coming from their GWS arm. So that's a major cash cow for them. But it still is balanced. It still is balanced because there is capital coming in from the other segments of the business. It makes sure that the firm can stay afloat. But GWS is lucky in that there are long-term contracts in that segment. And so it has kept the business rocking and rolling, even when there's turbulent times in the market or for CBRE itself. With regard to strategic positioning, CBRE continues to acquire smaller firms. It's constantly buying up companies, and this has allowed it to stay hip to the future, I guess. By acquiring these smaller firms, they're keeping up with technology, and they're able to really put their money where their mouth is when it comes to being a company that prides itself on being future focused, looking to tomorrow, and also being sustainability and tech focused. So by acquiring a lot of these progressive firms, they're staying on the forefront of that. And the management is really delivering. They've hit their goals, and the strategy is working. CBRE's strategy is absolutely working. So would I invest? The answer is yes. This is not some cryptocurrency, put it all on red bets. This is not a tech stock that's going to pop, get rich quick, and then get out. CBRE is strong and steady. There's consistent growth here. They're adapting. They're really focused on the future. This is a good long-term bet. So, Professor, yes, I would absolutely invest in CBRE. Thanks a lot.